Hello, and welcome to the Aura Elite Tablet Remote tutorial. Today, I am going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Aura Elite tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 4 different parts: remote layout and functions, personalizing an auto program, building and saving a program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Let's begin by turning on the tablet remote by pressing and holding the power button located on the top edge of the tablet. This will boot up the tablet remote. Once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read it thoroughly, and when you finish, tap the red "Tap here to confirm" button to continue. To the left of the home screen is Auto. When tapping Auto, this brings up 20 auto programs that you can use with a tap of a button. You can also easily access these programs at any time by tapping the Auto icon located in the Quick Access bar at the top of the screen. The auto programs are grouped into 4 categories to help you find the best-suited massage to your needs. To move between categories, tap the arrows on the side of the screen or the category buttons at the bottom of the screen. There's Therapy, with programs focused on recovery and relief. Rest and Relax, which offers calming full-body massages suited to winding down. Wellness includes options that support energy and overall well-being. And Focus features targeted massages for specific areas like the neck, back, and legs. We recommend trying each program out and seeing what feels best for you. To return to the home screen, tap the Home icon in Quick Access bar in the upper left corner of the screen. This home icon will always return you to the home screen on any screen that it is found. To the right of Auto is Manual. Once selected, this will bring you to another display where the full manual mode settings are located. Each of these settings allows you to customize your massage to your liking. We will return to this screen later in part 2 of this video. Manual mode screen can also be accessed using the Manual Mode button located in the Quick Access bar at the top of the screen. Next is Air Settings. In Air Settings, here you can personalize your compression massage by turning on the airbag compression region you desire. There are 4 different options: Full, Upper, Lower, and Off. Selecting Full will override any other selections and all airbags will become active. Once you have chosen an air region, next you can adjust the air intensity of the air massage. Here you will see 4 different options, 1 through 3 and Off. Use the air intensity slider to change this setting. Note, all auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want the airbags off, simply deselect the air setting option you've selected previously. Returning to the home screen, let's tap on MyMemory. In MyMemory, you can access a custom massage program created and saved using the manual controls in the Manual Settings display or after personalizing an auto program. We will go over creating and customizing a program in Step 3 of this video. You can store up to 3 different MyMemory programs and access them whenever you want. To save a program, simply tap Save, and to run a program, tap Run on the desired program slot. Once all 3 slots are used, you must delete an existing program to save a new MyMemory program. To delete a program, press and hold the Save button on the program slot you want to clear. Going back to the home screen, let's go over the position adjustment settings. In Adjustment, you can change the chair angles and zero-gravity recline while the chair is running. The backrest, footrest, and foot extension adjustments will assist you to fine-tune the length and fit of specific parts of your chair. Tap and hold the screen buttons to adjust any of these settings. When holding down the backrest adjustment buttons, this will allow you to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. You can adjust the footrest just the same. This allows the chair's footrest to raise or lower. Next is the foot in and foot out adjustment buttons. When holding down the foot adjustment buttons, this allows you to extend or retract the footrest. The last setting within the adjustment screen is the zero gravity positions. Zero gravity elevates your feet up over your heart to improve overall circulation and reduces gravitational force on your spine for a sense of weightlessness. Zero Gravity 1 will put the chair into a gentle recline, and Zero Gravity 2 will recline the chair into complete weightless zero gravity recline. Back in the home screen, let's go to System. Here you should see 9 different options: language, voice demo, sleep mode, beep, time, volume, brightness, Bluetooth, and screen. Let's walk through each one. First is language. Here you have 3 languages to choose from: English, Chinese, or Korean. Tap the button for your desired language. Next is voice demo. When voice demo is turned on, a spoken narration will play through the chair's speakers while the demo massage program is running. The narration explains how massage chairs work to support your health and wellness. If voice demo is off, the demo program runs without narration. Next is sleep mode. When sleep mode is on, the chair will remain in its reclined position after a program ends. When sleep mode is off, the chair will automatically return to the upright position at the end of a program. Next is beep. This option controls whether you hear a sound each time you make a selection on the remote. Tap on or off to set your preference. Next is time. Use the slider to adjust the duration of your massage session. Drag the slider left to reduce time or right to increase it. Next is volume. This setting controls the percentage of the paired Bluetooth device's volume applied to the speakers. First, adjust the volume on your Bluetooth device to your preferred level. Then, use the slider to further reduce the speaker volume if desired. 100% maintains the Bluetooth device's set volume in full without reduction. Next is brightness. This lets you adjust the screen's brightness. Slide left for a dimmer display or right for a brighter one, with 0% being the lowest and 100% the highest brightness. Next is Bluetooth. Tap the Bluetooth button to activate it and connect your device. Once paired, you can play music, podcasts, or other audio through the chair's speakers. Tap the button again to turn Bluetooth off. We will go over pairing your Bluetooth device to the massage chair in step 4 of this video. The last option is Screen. This controls how long the remote display stays active. When timeout is selected, the screen will turn off automatically after a few minutes of inactivity. Simply tap the screen to wake it up. When Always On is selected, the display remains on at all times. Going back to the home screen, let's go over the remaining buttons. On the right side of the quick access bar, there is the Controls button. This button appears when an auto or manual program is actively running. Tap the Controls button to get back to the in-use screen for the running program to access available setting options. Next to the Controls icon is the Light button. Use this button to turn on and off the ambient lighting on the sides of the massage chair to suit your mood or environment. Tap on or off to set your preference. To the right of Light is the Voice Command icon. Your chair features built-in intelligent voice command and control for a fully hands-free experience. When Voice Command button is on, simply speak to the chair to adjust settings and guide your massage. Tap the Microphone button, then tap the question mark button to view all the available voice commands that you can use. To activate a voice command, say Hi Infinity or Hey Infinity and give a command from the list within 5 seconds. On the bottom of the screen are the power and pause buttons. These buttons are found on every screen. To stop or pause a massage, simply tap the pause button. To continue, just re-tap pause to resume the massage. If you tap the power button, this will stop the massage and reset the chair entirely. Now let's personalize and take control of some features within an auto program. Return to the home screen and select Auto. For this example, we're going to pick Stretch. Once you have selected Stretch, the chair will do a TrueFit body scan. After a massage program is selected, you'll be taken to the body scanning screen to ensure an accurate massage that fits your body. Once a beeping countdown starts, here you can use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the back mechanisms up or down to match your specific shoulder height. After the timer has elapsed, your massage will start. Note, during the body scan, if you decide you want to stop and turn the massage chair off, simply hit the power button on the display screen. This will reset the chair back to its beginning state. After adjusting your shoulder height, you will be taken to the In-Use screen, where you can observe all the current settings and session information. The figure in the center of the screen shows a visual representation of the massage program that is currently running. The moving green dot indicates the current position of the massage mechanism along the massage track, and the blue highlights on the figure's body show which airbags are actively compressing. The timer in the middle indicates the time remaining in your massage. Use the plus and minus buttons on either side of the time to add or subtract the amount of time in your massage in 5-minute increments. 15 minutes is the default setting. The massage chair will turn off automatically and reset after the timer is up. You can find the name of the massage program that is currently running directly above the massage time. To the left of the figure, you will see the 4D back strength setting. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the 4D back mechanism that works the neck and shoulder region. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying 4D intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations, 1 being lightest and 5 being firm. 0 will turn off intensity adjustments throughout the program. Tap the number to make your selection. Below 4D back control is the speed setting. You can monitor the back mechanism speed by watching this dial while in an auto program. You can override the speed of the back mechanism to a consistent speed that no longer varies by selecting a speed number, 1 being slow and 5 being fast. 0 is not available for selection in auto programs. To the right of the figure is the shoulder position adjustment. This is the same manual control found at the end of the body scanning screen. Tap the plus or minus buttons at any point during the massage to fine-tune the shoulder position for optimal comfort. To the right of shoulder position adjustment is air intensity. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the airbag massage. Like with 4D back intensity, all auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations. Select 1 for lightest and 3 for firmest massage. Select 0 to turn airbag massage off. Below air intensity is foot rollers adjustment. Use this to control the dual reflexology rollers and choose your desired foot roller speed, 1 being slow and 2 and 3 being fast, or use 0 to deactivate the foot rollers. Just below the figure is the back heat control. Use this option to set the back heat on or off. To the right of back heat is sleep mode control. This is the same option as the one we went over in the system screen. Use this button to turn sleep mode on or off. Now let's explore the manual settings. Tap the manual icon from the quick access bar. Here, we get to create your own massage sequence by layering selections to build your own program, which then can be saved within MyMemory. Note, your first selection on this screen will start your massage. Let's begin building your program. At the top left, we have 5 different massage techniques that this chair offers. There is knead, tap, knead and tap, shiatsu, and knock. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy the most. For this example, we are going to choose knock. Now, with the type of massage selected, let's make a massage area selection. Choose an area you would like the mechanism to focus on. There is full, which travels the entire length of the track, that's from shoulders to glutes, upper, which will massage from the shoulders to the lower back, lower, which will massage from the lower back to glutes, partial, which travels a short distance and reverses direction for focused relief, and point, which stops on the track for targeted relief. Let's choose partial. Once chosen, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the rollers along the L track to home in on that focused relief. Now in the speed setting, let's choose 1 for a slow massage mode pace. To change the width of the rollers, you have 3 different options to choose from: narrow, medium, and wide. Let's select medium width for a slightly narrower massage area. Note the width can only be adjusted when in tap, knock, or shiatsu modes. Now let's choose a 4D back strength. Select 2. This combined with a speed of 1 will give us a slow, light tissue massage. Let's also choose 1 for foot roller speed and on for back heat. On to the air settings. Tap Home, then tap Air Settings, then select Lower. This will start the air compression massage in the calves and feet. Now let's choose an air intensity level of 3. This will really help with releasing that tension throughout the legs. Now that we have built our own custom massage, let's save it in our MyMemory Programs. Tap Home, then tap the My Memory button. Then select an empty slot for your new program. Congrats! You have now saved your very own massage, and you can utilize it at any time by returning to the MyMemory Programs list. Now let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in the Settings menu on the Aura Elite tablet remote. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Aura Elite in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and ensure that the connection went through. For Android users, be sure to select the speaker or audio connection, not the data sync connection, in order to connect properly. Now you should be connected to the chair speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the remote control tablet, you can now fully enjoy your Aura Elite massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Enjoy your chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.